Okay. Looking at my stone. So I have been out for a few weeks. Sorry, not few, just a week. Not able to complete the thing as was planning earlier. However, was doing some survey and research a bit from what Gemini given as recommendations. So I can see that yeah, the tools that the Gemini recommends, which is the Airtable, great tools for the database. Another one is Softr. Software I haven't been through it much in details, but at least I creating something already on the Airtable, so I could be able to give some information and some ideas here. Um, so meaning if he working for creating tools, sorry, web apps or database nowadays it took quite a shorter time, which is something I will show you later. But with this one, I think the phase, yeah, the understanding here maybe phase one. I don't really need to go through much on details, and so I will plan to going to the second phase right away and third phase right away because already having the database from Airtable, which is already should be able to using it, utilize it first for building the web applications to see some sample how it look and see there. So second phase and third phase is already will be a bit mix, which is great. So maybe I'm showing right away with the Airtable. So you can see here, this is not the first page, but this is a page where I creating the already the I call it service organization CIM here, um, where this database it has been created from the prompts. I put it in here. I want to build a database and blah 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 here. Then it creating me one, two, three, four, five tables right away because I put five tables there with an example for six rows there. Yeah, you can see some rows was creating for the first time. It's having profile photo and yeah, it's also linked with sales suite jobs, sales record there and so on. Okay, and because it doesn't creating me a full list of the details of masking it to adding 100 extra sample data. However, it just only give me 30. I don't know why. Maybe because of the limitations of the tools or something. Because I'm using a free versions. Um, and then I'm creating these. Sorry, I just want to highlight it out here. With these spare parts, it's also giving me the part number indications, photo, the categories, which is I didn't mention there, minimum requirements, unit price, because I put that spare spot stock record. So that's why it's giving me these data, which is something normally it should be the information that you're getting already from your spare part stock if you want to have a spare part stock. Um, report here is also showing me some details there. After that, I also creating some extra tables for the employee because when I'm realizing that the switch jobs here, when you're creating it, you also need to have an employee tables so you can be able to give them first with access levels and secondly you can be able to know who have been completing on which service jobs and what is the roles there and you can be able to assign the new person and so on, which is something will be done later, and also access level, which is in my past experience creating access table and access authentications it's so much difficult because it's also concerning the safety, which this one should be easier and simple. Another tool is the software. I tried to create some things earlier but I was struggling with my keyboard. I don't know what happening. I will have a look at that afterwards. But yeah, we can generate with the AI template there, or GI generate with the AI. So you can put the prompts what you're expecting, what you need there, just like what you put in. What I put in the Airtable, I guess. I was creating from the sample template here. Um, Yeah, a lot of the samples that you can get it from here. There, so I haven't gone through yet with the software, but the tools looks okay, and readings or watching the videos on YouTube for a bit on how to do it with this software. I will try to come back with this software within this week to getting this done more and more in the next coming days. So let's try it out and making these beautiful projects